Let's check out this 10,000 milliamp hour portable power bank by Ceptics. You can see it's compatible with micro USB, USB-C, and Lightning. Let's now open up the box to see everything that's included inside. So in the box, we get a quick start guide here from Ceptics, and then it gives you a brief instruction manual on how to use the device. Here is the actual power bank itself. On the side, we do get a rubber lanyard. Then on the front of the device, we have the power button, and then also 4 LED lights to indicate how much charge is left in the device. And then we have the Ceptics logo. On this side, we have a micro USB port. Then on the other side, we have a standard USB port. And then we have a micro USB cable that is built into the device itself that you can release from the side. Then on this side, we have a flap that when removed, you have 2 different adapters so that you can convert this device into a Lightning charger or a USB-C charger. So I'll remove both right now, and then I'll put this flap back in. So I'll pull the built-in micro USB cable out again, and then you can see it's very easy to add these various adapters. So this is the USB-C adapter. So now with the USB-C adapter added, I can now charge my USB-C phone or any other USB-C device. And then I can also easily add the Lightning adapter so that I can then charge any Lightning device. I can also charge an additional device by plugging in one of my charging cables into the USB port on the side of the unit. And then when I want to recharge the unit, I just recharge through the micro USB port on the side. But this is the 10,000 milliamp hour portable power bank by Ceptics.